Hi, everybody. I'm back. Mr. Bing, Liberty High School, Introduction to Engineering Design. This is part 4 of the ONSHAPE version of 1.3.4. I think that's what it is, 1.3.4. And so what I've accomplished so far, let me minimize myself. What I've accomplished so far is not much. I made a rectangle like that, and I put some shapes on it, and I made them certain sizes and constrained them in certain positions. And then finally, I got to this point, and I had to do these patterns. I did a circular pattern in the previous video, only took 12 minutes to do something that should have taken like 12 seconds. But now in this next video, I'm going to try to do these other patterns, the rectangular pattern of hexagons. See, there's my hexagon, and then a linear pattern of triangles. See, there's my triangle. So let's go with hexagon first. Rectangular pattern looks like there's one, the original, and then there's boom, boom, 2 that way, and 1 that way, and 1 that way. I mean, you can see it for yourself. You can see what's right there. Okay, so I need a rectangular pattern. So based on what I learned before, I'm thinking that's the tool to use, the circular pattern tool, except this time it needs to be a, well, reduced rendering performance detect. I don't know what that means. Let's try this again. Linear, maybe linear pattern. But I want a rectangular pattern. Apparently in Fusion 360, it's called a rectangular pattern, and then this one is a linear pattern. And I think OnShape calls them both linear pattern. You probably just do a linear pattern in one direction and then a linear pattern in the other. What did I just do? Do I select that and that and that? I have no idea what's happening right now. Okay. Oh, look, there's a pattern. Let me see here. How it doesn't say exactly, I don't think, does it? I don't think it says exactly how far apart these are supposed to be. And it looks like it defaulted to 1 inch. And let me drag it this way. Yeah, I'm going to drag it that way. And so 1 inch looks like too much when I'm looking at the picture. So maybe half an inch, like that looks like probably too small. Half an inch. So maybe 3/4 of an inch. That looks too big. Or maybe 0.6 inches. I don't know. I'm just gonna do 0.7 inches for some reason. And then I guess click yes or check or what happens if I do this? Okay, that wasn't good. 0.7 inches. I'm sure I could just type it in rather than trying to be so delicate with this little mouse. Ugh. Amazon Basics. Okay, so is that okay? Do I do that? What happens if I do that? Nothing's happening. What if I just push enter? Okay, that was okay. And then let me do one of these again, except I'm going to choose all this. I think there should be a way to select all these things without selecting each little line by itself. Well, okay, that's interesting. How do I make it like snap, like vertical like? Well, that's not good. I'm going to press escape, which is my favorite key. Let's try this again. Not do that. I'm just going to do this one and see what happens here. What if I click that? What does that do? What if I click that? What does that do? What if I click that? Ooh, that was interesting. What if I click that? What if I click, what did I do before? This? How do I make it like straight? I mean, like vertical. What if I click that? Whoa, okay. What if I click that? What if I click that? Okay, this is madness. What if I click that? How about I'll push escape, which is my favorite key. All right, I have an idea. How far apart did I make those? 0.6. So here's my idea. I'm going to make a line. What the? Something strange just happened. Undo key. Undo. Redo. Okay. Well, I don't know what I just did. Did I click that? What was that? Extrude? Sketch? edit sketch. What? Sketch number 2? Okay, I want to edit my sketch. There we go. Maybe that's back where it was. I don't know. Okay, oh, 0.7 inches is what I had here. So guess what? I'm going to make a line. This is, believe me, this is not the best way to do this. I'm going to make a line and I'm going to make 0.7. See? 0.7. Nothing happened. Why is nothing? I'm using the wrong mouse and keyboard. 0.7. Enter. Okay. And I'm going to change that because I have some sort of OCD going on. Now, OCD is a term that's overused. People claim like, oh, I'm OCD because I have to put everything organized in my drawer. OCD is a serious mental illness where your life becomes dysfunctional, where you can't go to work, you can't go to school, you can't have relationships. So when I say OCD, it just means that I'm weird. I'm just a strange person. Okay, I'm going to turn that into a construction line. Okay, rectangular pattern, right? Yes. Okay, rectangular pattern, or I guess is what that is. And I'm going to click on all these. Like I said, I wish I could figure out a way to click them all like simultaneous. Okay, what's happening? There we go. Check it out. Oh, well, didn't quite work the way I had hoped. I really want this to be like completely vertical, and I don't know how to make that happen. There's got to be a way. Okay, what if I escape from that, my favorite key, and let me undo that little stupid construction line. Undo, and guess what? Did I undo too far? Guess what? Oh, edit the sketch. Edit. Okay, guess what? I'm going to do that same technique again. The stupid technique that takes so much longer than it should, but hey, I'm just going to do it. 0.7. I'm going to escape from that. I'm going to turn that into a construction line. I know it's getting really messy. I promise I'll delete all that other stuff. Rectangular pattern. Let me see. Can I? Whoops. Here I can select multiples, I guess. It's a lot. It's really messy in here. I'm really sorry. Unprofessional. If there's one word, Sam, if there's one word to describe me, it's unprofessional. All right, so flip that around. Okay, I didn't like that. Flip. Okay, still no good. Let's see here. That's terrible. Okay, it's not snapping. I don't know how to make it snap. I don't know what to do. And why are there so many of them? Okay, what if I just estimate it? What if I just do that? Just estimate it. Like that. I'm just gonna estimate it. And then gonna click on that and change it to 0.7. I mean, that's something. It's press escape a couple. It went away. Okay, don't push escape. Let me see, do this. Yes. There's gotta be a way to do this the right way. This is not the right way. This is a way, and it's not a good way. It's a terrible, terrible way. I wonder why it won't snap anymore. Or, okay, I'm just gonna do that, and I'm going to push that and push 0.7, and then push enter, and then click away. And then I'm going to take that, because that's not part of delete. I'm gonna take that away. I'm gonna take everything away. Delete. I'm gonna delete that. Let me see, what does it look like here? Okay, I'm gonna leave the construction line here, but I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna delete that. Delete. Just cleaning it up. See? See, that's beautiful, right? That's better. I think I'm done cleaning it up. I mean, there's other stuff to clean up, but I hope you get the point. This is a failure. This is a failure because the rectangular pattern, even though I did make it visually what this is not right. This should be constrained. I'm using that word a lot. It should be constrained so that these are exactly vertical. And I'm pretty sure I did not do that. But I will give up now. It's almost time to go. I will give up, and I will click, make my face bigger again so you can see me. and then I'm going to stop the recording. And so bye for now. Oh, hang on. Bye for now.